Hello, welcome to Crypto Cookies, and in this video I'm going to show you how to carry out spot trading on Binance. You may ask me why Binance? Binance is a very good place to do spot trading because you pay low fees and you have lots of trading peers to work with. Now, talking about spot trading, there are two ways to go about it. The first way is to access it from your wallet over here. I'm going to be highlighting it from your wallet over there. Then when you click on it, it will open and you see spot trading. You can see spot trading up there. You can see spot trading up there. So from here now, so when you get to spot trading, as you can see, I have some coins already which I can trade for another. Let's say for instance, I want to trade this ape coin for another one. So now I've opened it. Now these are the pairs I can actually trade ape into. These are the pairs, these are the trading pairs available for ape coin. Now you can click on more so that you can see more trading pairs. I want you to see everything I'm doing. So click on more from here. So when you click on more, it will open more trading pairs. As you can see, there are lots of trading pairs available for ApeCoin. You have Ape against USDT, you have Ape against BUSD, you have Ape against Euro, you have Ape against BNB, you have Ape against Bitcoin. And as you can see from here that you can actually trade cryptocurrency against another cryptocurrency, and you can trade cryptocurrency against a fiat currency, because in this case this euro is not a cryptocurrency, it's a fiat currency. And you can see GBP, you can see AUD, these are fiat currency. So you can trade under spot trading, you can actually trade one crypto asset for another, and you can trade one crypto asset for a fiat currency. So for the case of this lecture, let's choose ape and USDT pair. So you wait for it to load. Now we are in the interface. Now what we're seeing, these red and green candles, these are the candles which is showing the direction, the price fluctuation of ape against USDT. The red candle represents a drop in price, while a green candle represents a rise in price. So you can see the movement of ape against USDT over a period of 15 minutes. As you can see there, you can see here, over a period of 15 minutes, this is the price chart. Okay, now when you are doing spot trading, is either you are buying or you're selling. You can actually use spot trading to buy an asset, and you can use it to sell. So let's go there. You click on buy. So I'll be click on buy. Now we are in the place where you can buy. Now you can as well sell. You can either buy or sell. So you can see there, green is for buy, red is for sell. Now when you get to where you can actually buy, over here, this left hand corner where you can see, some red and greens, I mean this place, I mean this area, okay, that area over there. So that is actually the order, the selling and the price order that other people have actually executed. The green is for buy order, while the red is for selling order. You can see you know, and this buying and selling order is what is responsible for the fluctuation in price. You can see that people are actually buying and selling this coin. Some are buying, some are selling every time. So that is why the prices of coins are always fluctuating. Okay. Now, if you want to buy, there are two kind of order which you can execute. I mean, for beginners. Okay. There are actually so many kind of order, but for beginners, you just need to master limit order and market order. Okay, I'm going to show you. So you need to select which kind of order you want to execute from this place. Hmm? From here, you need to execute the kind of order you need to select the kind of order you want to execute. So click on that bar over there. When you click on it, you can actually select a limit order or a market order. Stop limit order, trailing stop, and OCO is for advanced traders. So let's just concentrate on limit order and market order. I'm going to explain market order first. So now the advantage of market order is that if you are buying if you are executing a market order for a buy order, you are actually going to buy at the best market price. The system will buy for you at the current price, at the current best market price. So the advantage of market order is that your order will be filled immediately. Like, as you click on it, within a couple of seconds your order has been executed. That is the advantage of market order. And then you buy, if you are doing a buy order or a sell order, you buy at the best market price or you sell at the best market price. So in this case, you can see that it's not allowing me to put the price because it's a market order. You don't need to put any price. It will just buy it for you at the best market price, or it will sell for you at the best market price. So you don't need to put any price. What you just need to put is the amount of the coin you want to buy or sell. Now, this is a buy order. Okay, so let's say the minimum you can actually buy or sell is usually 10 USDT, that is $10. So let's say I put 15. It's showing insufficient balance because I don't have up to that amount of it, and this is just for the purpose of lecture. So I put the amount that I want to buy. Then the next thing is to click on buy. Okay, so it's saying sufficient because actually don't have that enough. So you click on buy, and then it will show you that your order is successful, and immediately your market order is filled. Then you can check your wallet and see the coin you have bought. Now, alternatively, if you want to do a limit order, you change it from here. Okay, so when you change it from here, in this case, in the case of a limit order, you have to specify the price because you want to buy at a particular price. That is what makes it a limit order. Okay, the current price is 4.492. Now that is against USDT. So I may actually decide to want to buy at a lower price, let's say 4.2 USDT. Then I'll select the amount of HIP that I want to, so let's say 20. Okay, it's saying sufficient because I don't have up to that. Then it's showing me the value of 20 HIP in USDT. You can see that. So in this case, I will just click on buy. It's not going to go because the balance is not sufficient. But in this case, once I execute a limit order, because the current price is 4.492, it's not going to buy. Okay, it will wait until it is 4.2. That is when the price get to 4.2 and drops a little bit, then my order will be filled. Then I'll have some HIP in my wallet. But if the price does not drop to 4.42 to 4.2, it's not going that order is not going to be fulfilled. In such a case, we are going to see it under open order. It's going to see that it's not yet filled. But if executing the market order, it gets filled immediately. Okay. Now, if you are selling, it's still the same thing. You can actually sell at the market price. Okay, at the best market price to sell for you, and your orders get filled immediately. But if you're selling at a stop limit, sorry, at a limit order, if you are selling at a limit order, it sells for you at a specific price. So you put the price, usually you put a higher price than the current price, let's say 4.9. So this order is not going to be filled until this price here. It's not going to be filled until this current price gets to 4.9. When it gets to 4.9 and drops a little bit higher, then it will execute. Okay, so that is that for spot trading. Now, another way to go about it, okay, is to search the coin you want to buy from the search bar. Let's say I have USDT, because USDT can actually be traded against almost all coins. You can trade USDT against any coin at all. Usually USDT is tradable against so many pairs. So you search from the search bar here, from this place. Hope you can see from this place. So you search from there. Let's say I have some USDT and I want to trade it against, let's say, BNB. So I'll tap BNB on the search bar here, BNB. Okay. So when I search like that, I'll, I will select that I'm actually wanting to do sports, because you can see all future hand and so many other ones. So I'm going to change it to sports. This is the one you are doing. Okay, so you click on sport, then you can see BNB against USDT. So you click on this one, and then it opens the interface for us. Then you can go ahead and do either you want to buy or you want to sell. Now it's very important to understand that when you buy BNB, in this case I have some USDT, so I'm actually exchanging the USDT which I have to BNB. So if I execute this order, I'm going to have BNB. Okay, I'm actually exchanging the USDT to BNB. But if I'm selling BNB for USDT, that means I have some BNB. That means I have some BNB and I want to exchange it to USDT. So in this case, I'm changing my BNB to USDT. So it's as simple as that. Okay, so spot trading is actually very simple and straightforward. But if you are actually doing spot trading for profit, then in such a case you have to buy at a lower price and sell at a higher price. Okay, let's say I want to buy BNB now. The current price is $269. This will tell you the current price, the current market price. So the price is 269. Okay, so if I buy at the market price, if I buy at the market price of $269.7, okay, so if I want to sell, I should be selling at a higher price, maybe $280 for instance. So I have to sell at a higher price for profit. And if you want to buy, you buy at a lower price and sell at a higher price. So spot trading, it's as simple as that. But let me quickly say that it's possible you might not actually want to do spot trading for profit. Maybe you just want to exchange one coin for another. Maybe you have some USDT and you want to, okay, let's say maybe during a when market price is falling, you want to change your Bitcoin to USDT. In such a case, it is advisable you do market order because it gets fixed immediately. Or alternatively, you can actually do convert. You can just go to convert. Let me show you how to get there. You can actually do convert over here. Instead of this portfolio, you can just go to convert. Since you are not doing it for profit, you just want to change one coin to another, so just come to convert here, select the amount you, let's say 500. Okay, then assume I have this amount of USDT, it will show you the value that is going to be in Bitcoin. Then you click on preview conversion, then it will show you that this amount of USDT will be converted to this value of Bitcoin. And then when you click on go ahead, you get your USDT converted to Bitcoin immediately. Very fast. But in this case, it deals with large volumes. Okay, it deals with large volume. Usually you need to have some quantity before you can actually convert. And then you can see limit. You can see limit, which means in this case you want your conversion to be done at a specific price of maybe. Okay, so in this place you put the prices and then you put the expiration. So that is if you want the conversion to be done at a particular price. You put the period, maybe 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 7 days, at the case maybe 1 hour. So in that case, if the price does not drop to that value within 1 hour, then that order is cancelled. Okay, so that is that about spot trading on Binance. If you love this video, I want you to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to make several other videos, trading videos, strategies, and so many valuable videos like this. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button, so that whenever I release a video, you can be among the first persons to get notified about the video. Before I go, let me reiterate some of the important things I've already said. If you are doing spot trading for profit, you have to buy at a lower price and sell at a higher price. Or if you want to sell, you sell higher and buy low. Then also, if you want your order to be filled immediately, you have to use the market order, and if you are buying or selling, so that your order gets filled immediately. And also, if you are doing limit order, your limit order may not be filled, yes, may actually not be filled if the price does not get to the price you specify. So your order will just be there unfilled. Okay, the market conditions have to be filled before your order can be executed. And if you are dealing with large quantity, it's advisable. If you are dealing with large quantity and you are not trading for profit, maybe you just want to convert some coins to another, it's advisable you do convert, use the convert to just convert one coin to another immediately. And if you want to trade with spot trading, you must have some coin, some crypto asset in your spot wallet. If you have it in your funding wallet, it will not appear here. So in such a case, you have to transfer from maybe your funding wallet or from other wallet to spot wallet before you can carry out spot trading. I want you to like this video. If you have questions, I want you to ask your questions. I'm going to answer, and I want you to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.